Good morning, children. Welcome to class 4 Moral Science. Previous class we have learned chapter 6 Let us not judge others. I hope all of you understood this lesson well. Today I am going to take the exercises of this lesson. Okay. First question answer. All of you take out your page number 24. Question answer. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Why is it wrong to judge others? Why is it wrong to judge others? It is not to judge others. It is not good to judge others. That we all have already learned. Why is it wrong to judge others? Why? It is wrong to judge others because most often our judgments may wrong. It is wrong to judge others because when we judge others, our judgments may wrong. Most often, sometimes our judgments may wrong. That leads to problems. Okay, so that it is saying no, it is wrong to judge others, or it is not to good judge others. Okay, understood all of you? Then next question, what happens when we judge? When we judge, what happens? When we judge, if it is wrong, we are being very unfair to others. Most often our judgments may wrong. So when it is wrong, we are being unfair to others. Unfair means injustice, anyai. Okay, that means we are unfair to others. That time when we judge others, if it is wrong, we are being unfair to others. Clear? Then next, third question, what are the results of wrong judgments? When do we wrong judgments? What happens or what are the results? Through our wrong judgments, we hurt others. Hurt others means others will get bad feeling. Okay, so we spoil their reputation. Actually, we damage, we destruct their image. We spoil their reputation. Reputation means image, the good image. Then we break friendships. Friendships we break. Sometimes we say to others, you are selfish, or you are not good, you are bad. If we say like that, our friendship will break, and we cause a lot of pain to others. Not only this, others will get a lot of pain. Feelings, bad feelings occur. Okay, so these are the results of wrong judgments. Clear? Once again I will explain what are the results of wrong judgments. Through our wrong judgments, we hurt others, we spoil their reputation, we break friendships, and we cause a lot of pain to others. Okay, these are the results of wrong judgments. Once again I will read all the question answers. Why is it wrong to judge others? It is wrong to judge others because most often our judgments may wrong. Then what happens when we judge? When we judge, if it is wrong, we are being very unfair to others. We are being very unfair to others. What are the results of wrong judgments? Through our wrong judgments, we hurt others, we spoil their reputation, we break friendships, and we cause a lot of pain to others. Okay? So all of you do this in copy, this question answer. Then B part. Take true or false. Write true or false next to each. It is easy to judge others. Answer is true. Judging others is very easy. True. Then we like to judge ourselves. That is false. We like to judge ourselves. We like to judge others. No. So this statement is false. Then no one can know the intention of another. True. No one can know the intention of another. True. Not even God can judge. That is false. Only God can judge. God knows everything. Then rumors can help in making judgment. True. When we get some rumor, that means false statements about others, we believe that and we make judgments. Okay, so that sentence is true. So first sentence is true, second is false, again true, false, true. Okay, so this also do in copy and learn these question answers. Okay, clear all the question answers and write true or false in copy. Okay, question answers and true or false in copy. 3 question answers are there and true or false. Okay, bye.